Hey folks, welcome to my channel number 10. So there we have the problem on the screen. Integrate the following with respect to x. We have e to the power x into e to the power x log a, right? So my e is a constant, which means I know that my a to the power m plus n, where a is a constant, can be expressed as a to the power m into a to the power n, right? So I have e to the power x and I have e to the power x log a, right? So which means I can apply the same exponent rule and rewrite the above expression as e to the power x plus x log a, right? And at the same time, I also notice that I have x as a common factor in the expression sitting in the power component of this entire function, right? So I can pull out the x and rewrite this as 1 plus log a times x, right? And I know that my 1 is nothing but log of e, right? So I can rewrite this as e to the power x times log of e plus log of a, right? And I'm going to use the product rule in logarithms. Let me write that down here for you. Log of a plus log of b equals log of ab, right? And I apply the same product rule, and what do I get? I get e to the power x times log of e, right? I know that my a is a constant. I know that my e is a constant, right? Therefore, the expression which was originally e to the power x times e to the power x log a is nothing but e to the power x log of ae, right? So when my a and e are constants, my log of ae is also a constant, right? So now I have a function of the type e to the power x, right? And now I'm going to draw your attention to what we learned in some of our earlier videos, and I've also pasted that in the description. This is it. So if integral of f of x dx equals g of x plus c, then integral of f of ax plus b dx equal to 1 by 8 times g of ax plus b plus c, right? So I know that my f of x here is nothing but e to the power x, right? And my f of ax plus b is nothing but the function e to the power x log ae, right? And in place of a, I have log ae, right? I'm just going to highlight it to avoid confusion because I know that a is appearing twice here. Please do not get confused between the two. So in place of a, which I've highlighted in yellow, I have a log ae, which I have highlighted again in yellow. And therefore, I go back, I write my y, right? My y is nothing but integral of the given expression simplified. So this is what we have. And I'm going to apply the rule what we just wrote. If integral of f of x dx equals g of x plus c, then my integral of f of ax plus b times dx is 1 by a g of ax plus b plus c, right? And in place of a, I have log of ae, right? My g of ax plus b will be log of ae, and then I have my 1 by a, right? What is my a? My a here is log of ae, right? And then I have my constant, right? Now, can I do some more simplification here? The answer is yes. And let me go to my next line and rewrite y. I know that e to the power x log ae, and I'm going to use the power rule in logarithms, right? Let me write it down here for you. Log of a to the power b is nothing but b times log a, right? Which means I have e to the power x log ae, and I apply the same power rule. What is it that I get? E to the power log of ae to the power x, right? The whole divided by log of ae plus c, right? So now, can I further simplify this? The answer is yes, right? Why is that? I'm going to write that particular identity for you in the next line. E to the power log x is nothing but x, right? E to the power log x is nothing but x, right? Now, I'm not going to go spend time trying to prove this. We will do that in a separate video. So when I have e to the power log x equal to x, I know that my e to the power log of ae to the power x is nothing but ae to the power x, right? So there I have my final answer. I don't think I can do any further simplification. So that's my final answer. I hope you found my video useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.